Good morning, students. Students, now we come on to our next topic, that is desirable and undesirable change. And student, this pic I have taken from your reference book. You will get it there, those who are having their reference books. Okay, students. Desirable and undesirable change, the change which is useful to us. Desirable, desire. I want that change. So I want to cook the food because I'm hungry. I want to eat the food. The changes which we want them to take place, such changes are called desirable changes. We want the plants to grow, we want the fruits to ripen, wet clothes to dry, food to be cooked. All these will come under the example of a desirable change and undesirable change. Yes, the brainy minds who are listening to this video, they are having a lot more ideas in their minds about the desirable change. I want to iron my clothes. Of course, desirable change. Okay, students. Now the undesirable change which are harmful to us. We don't want them to happen. And mostly the undesirable changes are the natural changes because they are not under our control. They happens naturally. For example, accident, disasters, spoiling. But in the undesirable change, students, few undesirable changes can be prevented. For example, if I take care of my things of kitchen properly, I know if I will keep the milk outside, it will get spoiled. So I will keep it in my refrigerator. So such a few changes are in my hands, and I can protect it. I can prevent to happen those changes. Rusting of the iron, a very good example of the undesirable change. And this change, it can also be prevented because when I will coat the iron with a layer of a zinc, I can protect it. How it happens, I will tell you. Student, what happens when the iron it comes in contact with the oxygen and water present in the air, it gets a rust. Means those iron object, those who are going rusting, now they are actually damaging slowly. They will be of no use after some time. But I am having one way to prevent the rusting. If I will coat the iron with another layer of zinc, so iron will not come in contact with the oxygen and water directly because now it is covered with the zinc layer. So in this way, yes, the thing which is coming in now in your mind is, ma'am, now the iron will not rust. Yes, iron will not rust. Iron will not get damaged. And I will prevent the iron from rusting by this method. And one thing more, students, in this video I want to share with you that sometimes few changes are like this. They look to you good changes, but if they are not in control, they will become undesirable change. Your mother is cooking a food in the kitchen and you are playing or enjoying, but after some time you see that the fire by chance, accidentally, uh, something happens and the fire is there everywhere. If the same fire burns our belongings, it becomes the undesirable change. I don't like this. Now, similarly, let us take an example of the air conditioner. Okay, it's very hot outside, and when you come back from the school, you feel so hot. Now you just say your mother, Mama, please switch on AC. Okay, does this happen in the winters also? When you come back from the school and you say, Mother, please switch on the AC? No, na. So this is a very good example of the desirable change which changes into the undesirable according to the conditions. The same change is the same, but desirable under another condition, undesirable under some other conditions. Now here the question is also in the blog that how is the rain sometimes become desirable and sometimes undesirable? Yes, my brilliant students, they are having a lot of answers, I know. And I know all of you know the answer of this question. Oh, you love to have rain during the summers because it's so hot outside. But if the rain is too much, it may turn into the flood. Nobody likes the flood because there is so much of damage of a property, many things. So the same rain which I was enjoying a few moments back, it becomes an undesirable change. I don't want this. Rain should also be in some control. Now, students, I discussed 3 questions with you yesterday. Now, another question: what do you mean by slow and fast changes? The changes which take some, again, those the same answer, the same thing I have discussed with you yesterday. What are desirable and undesirable change? The changes that are useful to us and we want them to take place, the changes which are harmful to us, we don't want them to happen. So these are the undesirable changes. So till now we have finished the 5 questions of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.